we have a man here whose weight we are going to find. Now that man exerts a pressure of 2.8 times 10 to the power of 3 newtons per meter squared on the ground, and his feet covered an area on the ground of 4 times 10 to the power of minus 2 meter squared. So let's find the weight of the man. So one thing we need is the formula that pressure is equal to force over area, which we can also call weight over area. We know the pressure, we know the area, we have to find the weight. So if you should cross multiply, what do we have? We can call this P over 1. Then cross multiply, you have weight is equal to pressure times area. So the weight of the man will be equal to the pressure that the man exerts on the floor or on the ground times the area his feet covered when he exerted that pressure. And that will be equal to what we have here, right? So the weight will be equal to 2.8 times 10 power 3 multiplied by the area 4 times 10 to the power minus 2. Now I want to change 2.8 to a whole number, right? And that will be 28. But these two are not the same. So if I call it 28 times 10 to the power minus 1, then the whole of this is 2.8. I just want to have a whole number out of the 2.8, and I've gotten it. So we have this to be equal to 2.8, right? So let's continue. Times 10 to the power 3 times 4 times 10 to the power minus 2. Now I will bring the whole numbers together, 28 and 4. When I bring the whole numbers together, they will multiply. The numbers I have here are in what form? Index form. Now, according to the laws of indices, we just pick one base and we add the powers since they are all multiplying. So we have -1 plus 3 plus what? -2. If we multiply here, what do we have? We can check it. That will be 28 times 4. 4 times 8 is 32. We have 2 here and we have 3 here. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 11. Right? 8 plus 3, 11. We are going to have 11 here with the last 2. So what do we have here? Times 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 3 is 2. 2 minus 2 is what? 0. So 0. And 10 to the power of 0 is still 1. So we have 1, 1, 2 times 1. Finally, we have 1, 1, 2. We are finding the weight, which should be in newtons. Weight is a force, it should be in newtons. And that's it. That's option A. Please like, comment, share, and follow. Thank you.